In this video, I will be showing you how to design a pennant banner in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen under the Templates tab. I can browse through various categories like social media or business, but I'm looking for something specific today. I'll go up to the search bar and type in pennant banner. Canva provides a wide variety of options, from simple alphabet sets to themed bunting for classrooms and birthdays. I'll scroll through the results to see the different styles available until I find one that fits my vision. I really like this floral classroom banner template, so I'll click on it to see the preview. It looks perfect for what I need, so I'll click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, I want to adjust the color scheme to something more unique. I'll click on the background of the first pennant and open the color picker. I'm going for a darker, more sophisticated look, so I'll select this deep purple. To save time, I'll click Change All at the bottom of the sidebar to automatically update every page in the document. Next, I'll click on the letter A and change the text color to a light gold to make it pop against the new background. Again, I'll hit Change All so every letter in the alphabet matches. Now I want to swap out the floral graphics for something different. I'll go over to the Elements tab on the left and search for a cute clip. I'll select this fun binder clip graphic and place it right at the top of my pennant, resizing it to fit. To keep the design consistent across the whole set, I'll delete the original flowers and paste my new clip onto the rest of the pages. I'll go through the entire alphabet, removing the old graphics and adding the clip to letters B, C, D, and so on. This ensures every banner piece has a uniform, playful look. Once I've finished updating all the letters down to Z, I'll click the grid view icon at the bottom right to see my full completed set. Everything looks cohesive and is ready to be printed and hung up. Designing your own custom banners is a great way to personalize any space or event.